wanna be a survivor, better than Rachel. I wanna be so beloved. I wanna be so faithful. These pineapples still had some seeds in it. It was actually really juicy. I was kind of surprised. But I did get it from a local store. Looks Hispanic owned. If not Hispanic owned, majority Hispanics definitely shop there. I actually love the produce there. They have chicory, y'all, like a real chicory. Anyways, I'm cooking with love right now, making some ribbies and rice. When I tell you, I put all kind of fresh seasoning. The only thing that wasn't extremely fresh was the Slap Your Mama's seafood boil I added to it. However, when I tell you it came out so good. Anywho, I'm gonna slow cook this. Red beans is something you can leave on the stove on low the entire day. One of the best traditions about it is you could go run your errands, come back home, the food is done. Because I work at night though, I will be leaving that on while I go to work, and it's going to be on low on my slow cooker. So I had to get some oil in before I went to work. I am still not done with these pieces, but they are coming along slowly but surely. I really enjoy creating bricks. It'd be looking pretty, but girl, I can't walk fast in this. It's so pretty. Oh boy. Wait, oh, that drops the soap. It's dropping the soap. Goodness gracious. I need a man.
I heard it's 6 to like 2 to 6.
2 to 6 what? Oh, inches? Where?
Here.
Ah.
Here is like up to 12 inches where I live.
Let's go.
So let's see how bad it is.
You walking way faster than me. I get scared in the snow. Where you from?
Nationality wise or stay? Like
Stay, like you used to snow.
Pennsylvania.
So it snows.
It snows more than here, yeah.
So yeah, you
It's gonna be
familiar.
Up to 12 inches over there.
But naturally, where you from? Now that you say, okay.
Alright.
Oh, you on that side?
Yeah.
All right. Get home safe. That's my little. Oh, that's what that wasn't. That wasn't. No, that wasn't what I wanted to happen. Okay. Shoot, bruh. It's my thing. It didn't work. This is so aggravating. This is so aggravating. I am tired. I didn't get a break last night. Snow hair. Now my hands is freezing. Tire pressure is on 27. That's what I can make it. I put Vaseline. That Vaseline actually does work. So, I've been using Vaseline. It's freezing. Meanwhile, back in New Orleans, it is Mardi Gras. Probably weather too good. So, I got a new tire. However, that was not the issue. The issue was, I have some leak in my thing. Probably from running over curves. Hitting curves. It oh hell no. Oh boy. I'm scared. And transportation. Lord, I pray you get me to and from my destination. See if it's accident free. I pray that I make it to home safe and sound. Accident free, ticket free, friend free, obstacle free. I pray that my car does not slide. No black ice. Take the wheel there and get me home. Hallelujah. Whatever. back. Maybe the Most High needed me to see that. Hallelujah. I'm gonna wipe my back under. It's beautiful, but they don't tell you how nasty the streets get, all ugly and black. They just show the prettiness on TV. They don't tell you it's the way it hitting your eyes. Baby, the first time. Oh, I didn't put my thing up. The first time I encountered snow, when I tell you I was crying, I wasn't ready to eat. I was not ready for what it really was. You need an umbrella. OMG, OMG. This is real. My eyelashes. My eyelashes. It's getting snow on it. Relief. 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 Wait a minute now. Oh yes, it's tender. 12 hours on a slow cooker, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I'm gonna cut up this, put it in there, and put this on for some more, and it's gonna be all right. It's gonna be all right. I cannot use my mic right now because my phone was on 5%, so I gotta charge it. I'm about to make me a tart cherry drink, and I'm putting that in it because it has magnesium, and the magnesium with these sleepy side drinks is supposed to help you knock out. So as soon as I finish doing that, I want to sleep so good. Like, please, just let me sleep straight through something. But I'm gonna prepare. I taste the beans when I tell you, OMG, I ain't even put the fresh seasoning in yet. Only the dry seasoning. Fire. I'm whip a little butter up in there. Baby, this is about to be so good. And I gotta put these in the cups. But I'm gonna go ahead on and try one of these pineapples. I don't mind. Let's see. It's hitting, but it could hit some more. I'm gonna stick a fork through them and let it marinate them. So I'm about to search Mardi Gras music, but I did check out Mardi Gras lives came up, as you can see. Why I say Zulu Parade is actually very so much.
This is their first procession down St. Charles Avenue for Mardi Gras morning.
They look spectacular.
And they do look fantastic.
Pagan as well.
Right now, all of St. Charles Avenue in front of Lula's is a sea of pink and white, and it's beautiful.
And you know what I love? I love seeing all these.
Heard a lot of Israelites say, "Oh, I want to go to Mardi Gras," and I just like, do you not know or do you not care? Because they do got a lot of Israelites that still go to the New York Carnival, and this would be, I guess, equivalent because London, the islands, New Orleans, they are Carnival. But if you're watching and you want to visit New Orleans and you also want to stay within law, go and see the Mardi Gras Indians. You also got to be careful with them too, because like I said, some of them, 2 particular tribes, and maybe 3 for sure, maybe I'll list them. They do partake. I'm sure there may be more, but I mean, I guess as soon as you see some weird shit, deuces.
And they run me, and you run me? I don't know.
So I'm later than late to be today. I'm an hour late to work. Lord, please let it be a good night. MG. Well, I had to come to the bathroom before I'd be crying on the floor and they'd be like, what the hell is wrong with you? But two days ago I had a patient, Muslim couple, and it was their firstborn son they were having. And baby, when I tell you they was holding their ground, been here for a few days, and Y'all know I am all for natural. A lot of times they do, you know, have things that I personally feel is unnecessary as a doula. But that, I had to talk to him. Look, I'm not Muslim, but I follow the God of Abraham as well. I am also for natural. I know how important a firstborn son is because the way of life I follow firstborn sons is very important. I can't tell you what to do, but I will say consider, you know, I gave the medical reasoning as to why I would make that decision if it had been me. When I came back to work that night, they started they did choose. I'm so glad that they made the decision they made. That was so touching. And I just went seeing the baby. He is so cute. I want to hold him. Oh my goodness. But the baby is fine. I'm so happy for them. I'm so happy the baby came out okay, because I kept thinking to myself, oh my goodness, if this baby don't come out okay, Lord. And they be like, this woman gave me this advice. But I did say, you know, it's up to them, weighing out their options. The doctor's telling them the same thing, so it's not like, I just personally don't like to get in the way of that, because, you know, if something do happen, I'm gonna feel guilty. But like I say, I stepped in with my medical and religious, and sometimes, you know, some people are gonna connect to certain people, and I knew I just had to connect with them because they was not hearing the doctors. And I'm so glad I did. I'm so glad the baby came out okay. That's crazy. I'm gonna go try to hold this baby. Veggie burgers for breakfast. My damn co-workers be going to Burger King and then McDonald's, and the burgers been smelling good. It got me wanting a burger. But I'm not near a kosher place, so I'ma just have to work with this. But it's not veggie. I wanna add cheese. Yes, I do. I want add cheese. And barbecue sauce. And some chips. Hell yeah, baby. I love seeing her in the window. Too cute.
Hear Israel, the Lord is God, the Lord is one. Blessed be the name of his glorious kingdom. And you shall love the Most High Elohim with all your heart and all your soul and all your might. These words that I command to you should be in your heart. You should teach them diligently to your children.
Hi, welcome to Day in My Life.
And beyond. Archaeologically, it mentions Omri as the king of Israel, indicating the influence and recognition of his reign, even among neighboring nations. In summary, King Omri's leadership was characterized by political savvy, territorial expansion, and diplomatic engagements. While his reign was relatively short, lasting about 12 years, his legacy lived on through the Omride dynasty and the profound changes he introduced to Israelite society and politics. Zimri, mentioned in the first book of Kings, 1 Kings 16:8-20, served as a commander in the Israelite army under King Elah. In a bold and treacherous move, Zimri assassinated King Elah's power. Zimri faced a
Sound about to bust down. Then go to sleep. Crash out. I'm watching these different videos. Principal gave me these brothers, but I ran into what's the other one that was pretty cool as well. A different channel. Maybe I'll just post it. But yeah, this is like one of my favorite things. Just get so full on a Friday night and lie out on my floor
on the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. Wait for the Lord and be strong, and let thy heart take courage. Yea, wait for the Lord. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. That's right. Wait for the Lord, but see, you got to do the right thing and be patient. A lot of us don't understand patience. A lot of us rush everything. That's why a lot of us fall out of the way, because we ain't seeing things happen in our favor in our time, the time that we think and feel it should happen. Patience is like baking. Sometimes you gotta put all that work in, and then you gotta put it in the oven, and if you take the cake out too soon, like they say, it fall. It ain't right.
What's going on with my video? Anywho, Shalom. As y'all seen, I had a much better week this week. Almost had a moment this Shabbat, but I realized, or should I say was reminded of the importance of frequencies, and I have been heavy on that lately. From people to clothes to music, and was reminded that that also plays a role in a lot of things. So my first shawl is wool, which is 5,000 megahertz in frequency, which can help in many different things. One being stress and depression and other health healing properties. So I threw that on, and I had on this skirt, which is 100% cotton, and that actually immediately took me out of that state that I could have drifted into that easy. So yeah, overall my week was good, my Shabbat was good. I'm about to work out. Somehow after Shabbat has became my workout day, which, hey, that works because I don't work on Saturdays, and it's not like I have much else to do other than get this work done. So I'm gonna do that, then work on the piece some more. I'm hoping I can have enough done by tomorrow before work to be able to give an updated picture of what my art gonna look like for the show. I still will have little minor things to touch up on, and I also still will have the small pieces. I was trying to do 3 small pieces, but I think 2 just might have to do because time is flying so quickly. What else? Yeah, I might end up doing this coming week another, either a bye-week or a short week. I do kind of want to vlog because I am doing something nursing-wise that's going to be extremely cool. But I also don't want to make the last week an extremely short week. So I'll see. Okay, there he goes. So see y'all probably tomorrow.